What if I told you that you could reprogram your mind to achieve any goal you set, that you could tap into a mental state so powerful it could transform your entire life? Today we're diving deep into the Silva Mind Control Method, a revolutionary technique that has helped millions of people unlock their mental potential and manifest their dreams into reality. In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 game-changing techniques that you can start using today. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the power of your mind together. Before we jump into the techniques, let's understand what the Silva Mind Control Method actually is. Developed by José Silva in the 1960s, this method is based on the idea that we can learn to function at the alpha brainwave level, that sweet spot between waking consciousness and sleep, where your mind becomes incredibly receptive to positive programming. Think of it like this: your conscious mind is like the captain of a ship, but your subconscious mind is the massive engine room below deck. The Silva method teaches you how to communicate directly with that engine room, giving you the power to solve problems more creatively, improve your memory and learning ability, reduce stress and anxiety, manifest your goals and desires, and enhance your intuition and decision-making. The beauty of this method, it's not magic, it's science. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. Our first technique is the foundation of everything else: learning to enter the alpha state. This is your gateway to accessing your subconscious mind. Here's exactly how to do it. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably in a chair or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. With each exhale, feel your body relaxing more and more. Now here's where the magic happens. Start counting backward from 100 to 1. But here's the key. Don't just count the numbers, visualize them. See each number clearly in your mind's eye. As you count down, imagine yourself walking down a beautiful staircase. With each number, you're taking another step down, feeling more relaxed, more peaceful, more centered. When you reach 1, you'll be in the alpha state, that perfect level of relaxed awareness, where your subconscious mind is most receptive to positive programming. Pro tip: practice this daily. The more you do it, the faster and easier it becomes. Some of my students can enter alpha in just 30 seconds after consistent practice. Now that you know how to enter alpha, let's talk about visualization, probably the most powerful technique in the Silva arsenal. Here's what makes Silva visualization different from just daydreaming. First, enter your alpha state using the technique we just learned. Then, create a detailed mental movie of your goal. But here's the crucial part. Engage all your senses. What do you see? Make it vivid and detailed. What do you hear? Include sounds, voices, music. What do you feel? Both physically and emotionally. What do you smell or taste? Let's say your goal is to buy your dream house. Don't just see the house, walk through it. Feel the door handle as you open it. Smell the fresh paint or flowers in the garden. Hear your family laughing in the living room. Feel the pride and joy of home ownership. Here's the game changer. Don't visualize yourself working toward the goal. Visualize yourself having already achieved it. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality, so you're literally programming it for success. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes every day, preferably at the same time. Consistency is everything. This next technique is my personal favorite for solving problems and making tough decisions. It's called the mirror of the mind, and it's like having a consultation with the wisest version of yourself. Here's how it works. Get into your alpha state using our countdown method. Visualize a large blank screen in your mind, like a movie screen or a giant TV. Put your current situation or problem on that screen. See it clearly and in detail. Don't judge it, just observe it objectively. Now imagine the screen fading to pure white light, completely erasing the problem image. Finally, project your desired outcome onto the screen. See the problem resolved, see yourself in the ideal situation. I used this technique when I was struggling with a major career decision last year. Within 3 sessions, the answer became crystal clear, and I made the best professional move of my life. The key is to trust the process and be open to insights that might come during or after the session. This technique is absolutely genius. It's like having a remote control for your alpha state, perfect for when you need quick access to calm, focused thinking in your daily life. Go into your alpha state using our countdown method. While in alpha, bring your thumb, index finger, and middle finger together. Hold them together gently. You're creating a physical anchor for this mental state. While holding this position and staying in alpha, repeat to yourself, "Whenever I bring these three fingers together, I immediately enter a calm, focused, and resourceful state of mind." Practice this 5 to 10 times over several sessions to create a strong neural pathway. Once programmed, you can use this anywhere before a presentation, during a stressful conversation, when making important decisions. Just bring those three fingers together and your mind instantly shifts into that calm alpha state. I've taught this to executives, students, athletes, anyone who needs to perform under pressure. It's like having a superpower in your pocket. Our final technique combines the power of positive affirmations with the receptive alpha state. This is where real transformation happens. When you're in alpha, your critical conscious mind takes a back seat, allowing positive programming to go directly to your subconscious. It's like having a direct line to your mental operating system. Use your countdown technique to reach that relaxed, receptive state. Select a positive statement that aligns with your goal. Make it present tense like "I am not, I will be." Positive like "I am confident," not "I am not scared," and personal and specific to you. As you repeat the affirmation mentally, really feel the emotions associated with it. If you're affirming confidence, feel confident. If you're affirming abundance, feel grateful and prosperous. See yourself living out this affirmation in real situations. Make it concrete and believable. Examples of powerful affirmations: I am attracting opportunities that align with my highest good. I am confident and capable in all that I do. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. Now, here's how to create your own Silva practice. Week 1 to 2. Focus solely on getting comfortable with entering alpha. Practice the countdown method daily. Week 3 to 4. Start incorporating goal visualization into your alpha sessions. Week 5 to 6. Begin using the mirror of the mind for current challenges. Week 7 to 8. Program your three fingers technique for on-demand access. Ongoing. Use positive affirmations in alpha to continuously upgrade your mental programming. Remember, consistency beats intensity. 15 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. The Silva Mind Control Method isn't just about positive thinking, it's about positive programming. You now have 5 powerful techniques that can literally rewire your brain for success. But here's the thing, knowledge without action is just entertainment. Your mind is the most sophisticated computer ever created, and you now have the user manual. For the next 30 days, commit to practicing just one of these techniques daily. Start with entering the alpha state, master that foundation, and everything else becomes possible. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and share it with someone who could benefit from these techniques. Comment below, which technique are you most excited to try? I'd read every comment and love hearing about your experiences. Next week, I'm releasing a deep dive into advanced Silva techniques, including remote viewing and intuitive problem solving. You won't want to miss it. Remember, your mind is your most powerful asset. It's time to unlock its full potential. Until next time, keep programming your mind for greatness. Are you ready to transform your life in just 30 days? Positive affirmations to change your life in 30 days is your step-by-step guide to reprogramming your thoughts and unlocking a more confident, motivated, and successful version of yourself. For only $4.99, this powerful book gives you carefully crafted daily affirmations designed to boost your mindset, attract positivity, and help you break free from self-doubt. Whether you want to build self-love, achieve your goals, or create lasting happiness, this book gives you the daily push you need to finally start living the life you deserve. Start today. Your new reality is just one affirmation away.